kwasempumalanga umuva slow yange connection skin eprime isinaso but nowadays kuyange connection music kwasempumalanga umuva slow yange connection skin eprime isinaso but nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection
Kuba artist and a great choice, but imagine keep on music, kube better than not done down. That's why system music cause Mpumalanga move slow and I'm sometimes I feel like nothing I get. I never understand the pain about upcoming artists until I let them go more calm or understand my lyrics. Especially for actually support and commas. Skin the promise now, but things have changed. Go me a connection if not perform. Nya scream and put a live voice. Nya zama pili effort. Nya shule ya kapata give up. Ngize mpila in the time I feel like I get. But when I still have God in the long, I believe in God. Sometimes you have to wait, I will see if bang I could maybe think the better bang on. But you understand the rapper effects of my name like Komazi. I'll send a bill rap until you peel rap life. If Pumalang is at the Pagama after all the pets of my rap god. We are building a music industry with absolute nothing. If Pumalang is a music chase, but just to break up us to pop and us. After all we rap with soul and love. It's the fun.
Music kwasempumalanga umuva slow yange connection skin eprime isinaso but nowadays kuyange connection music kwasempumalanga umuva slow yange connection skin eprime isinaso but nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection sure. Music ingwenda ngothando ngwenda ngeconfidence ngikhipha music banga download but akusho ukuthi into khwitha I know ukuthi akusingo wonke umuntu lotothanza music kwami last ngispanile ngizamile but nithuhlangana ngisengisemaplanini ukuthi ngupusha kanjani lo music ukuze ngiphumelele noma ngahlale ngahlangani this year ngeke ngiphele amandla ngitophinze ngizame ngifocus ku music angifuni girlfriend ngisafuna kwenda history ngisafuna kushaya music ijabuli eseyonke bangibukhe ngapha nangapha ngaphefomela mahala ngicharge imali bangibhatare ngakheli oleda milikhaya eDubai fezeke iphupho lami ngishaya itrack neron model lami isikufa music kwasempumalanga ulikhuni kwasibani mhlambe kube ndlela eJozi ngabeka sengaphumelela connection nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection nowadays kuyange connection